In Basil, you have the ability to set granular permissions for team members and client user roles. To access role permissions, click on your user profile menu at the top right corner and select the Settings option. From there, click Roles and Permissions to expand the section. Here is where you can adjust the permissions for your own team members, or you can click on the Client User Permissions tab to alter the permissions for your clients. You can modify the permissions of each group by checking or unchecking the associated function in each roles column. Please note that grayed out boxes indicate permissions that you cannot toggle, either because they belong to the highest level roles and cannot be altered, or your current role does not have permissions to modify, or they cannot be edited at all. You can also rename each role to your liking by clicking on the pencil icon, or deleting a role by clicking on the trash icon below the name. Basil provides you with two adjustable roles by default, Team Admin and Team Regular roles. You can adjust these as you need, or you can add a custom role of your own by pressing the Add button to the right. A pop-up will appear for you to name the new role. Once it's named, it will adjust in a list with your other roles. A new role starts with absolutely no permissions, so you will need to set them manually with each permission the new role needs to have. Once done, click on the Save button at the bottom. These same procedures also apply to creating a new custom role for the client users as well. To switch an existing user's role, first locate the user's contact information. Team members can be found in the People tab and on the Team Member subtab. Click the three-dot menu of the user whose role needs to be switched and select Edit. On the pop-up menu, go to the role and select the desired role from the drop-down list. Once the new role is selected, press the Update button to confirm the role change and give them the new permission set. Client users can be found on the Share option of each client's three-dot menu. To switch an existing client user's role, the user will need to be removed and re-invited to the client's workspace.